Clocking in and out correctly is one of the most important parts of using NextCrew day to day. It helps make sure your work hours are tracked accurately, your timesheets stay updated, and your payroll information is processed correctly. NextCrew makes the entire process quick and easy directly from your phone. Let's start with Clock In. When you arrive at your assignment, open the app and tap Clock In and Out from the home screen. Next, tap Clock In. You'll be asked to confirm the action one more time by tapping Clock In again. Depending on your company's settings, the app may also ask for permission to access your location or camera during Clock In. These verification steps help confirm that clock-ins are being completed correctly on site. Once your clock-in is successful, your shift time is automatically recorded inside the app. Now let's look at Clock Out. At the end of your shift, return to Clock In and Out from the home screen. Tap Clock Out, then confirm the action by tapping Clock Out again. This helps make sure your total worked hours are captured accurately before your timesheet is processed. If your assignment requires break tracking, you can also add breaks directly inside the app. To record a break, tap the break icon. Next, open the Hours/Break Hours drop-down menu. From there, select the correct break duration. Available options may include 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes. Once selected, tap Add to save your break. There are also a few important things to keep in mind while using Clock In and Out. Clock-ins only work when you're near the actual job site location. If you're too far from the assignment location, the app may show a work location distance error and prevent the clock-in from going through. This helps make sure shifts are being started from the correct work site. You may also see offline mode if your device does not have cellular data or internet connection turned on during clock-in. When that happens, the app temporarily saves the action offline and automatically syncs everything once your connection comes back. So before clocking in or clocking out, make sure cellular data, internet access, and location services are enabled on your device. And if you have access to advanced timesheet features, you can also manage additional assignment details directly from Timesheets. Just open Timesheets, select the assignment, and review worked hours, breaks, pay information, and assignment details all in one place. Need to upload a receipt, parking pass, reimbursement document, or supporting photo? You can attach everything directly to the timesheet in just a few taps, making it easier to keep assignment records organized and connected in one place. Keeping your clock-ins, clock-outs, and breaks updated helps reduce payroll issues, keeps your timesheets accurate, and makes it easier for coordinators to manage assignments smoothly. With NextCrew, everything stays connected and easy to manage in one place.